Okay, good morning all. I am Sannyasi Pradhan, Principal of St. Xavier's High School, Baripada. Our school is run by the society. The name of our society is Managing Committee of St. Xavier's High School. The Secretary of the society is Mr. Amitabh Patnaik. The society is running the school with a vision to produce good human being. Our school is present in a rural area. The school is surrounded by the green plants. It is pollution free environment, a healthy atmosphere for learning of the children. Maximum students are from the remote area of Moyurbhanj district. It is a tribal dominant area. And now I will show you the main gate of our school building. The height of the main gate is 17 feet. And the main gate is connected with both boundary walls from both the side. Now I will take you to our parking area where two-wheeler and four-wheelers are parked. And there is a quarter for the Group D employees. And I will take you to the second gate, and this gate is very important gate. Nobody is allowed to come inside the school premises after the assembly is started. Only authentic people are allowed, and the gate is locked after the assembly. Now I will take you to the playground 1, and it is the volleyball playground. Now I will take you to the assembly ground. This is the assembly ground and also the playground. The assembly stage will be constructed and it has been planned. Now I will take you to the second gate of our school. After all the vehicles and the children are entered into the school, the main gate is closed and the second gate is remain open for the parent, and there is a security guard room. The guard is there and he keep account of all the entry and exit of the people. Now I will take you to the vehicle parking area of our school. Our school buses are parked over there. That is another entry point to the school. Now I will take you to the playground to that back of the school building, where the football and cricket and all other activities of the sports are conducted over there. So here basically the events are organized. And the school is surrounded with the green plants. Every year we are planting the plants, and most of the plants are medicinal plants. All the environmental activities are done every year. Now I will take you to the roof of the building, the top view of the building. You can see the top view of the building right from the entrance gate to all around the building. And also the top floor is planned for the construction of future classes. Okay, so today I will take you to our library. This is our library.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. He is our librarian, Mr. Rajesh Bala. Now I will show you the books present in our library. These are the reference books, and this is CBSE and NCERT manual and guidelines. The reference books.
These are textbooks.
Hmm.
These are text section. NCERT textbooks. Here it is encyclopedia and dictionary. And we are Hindi storybooks. Hindi storybooks and novels. And there it is Odia textbooks and novels, storybooks.
Dictionary, Hindi, novel and story books, encyclopedia, and there are also
Some
reference books and story books.
Here it is English.
This is English novel and story books. English novel and story books for children. English novel and story books.
All.
These all novel story books for the children, and
These are the
these are the magazines. So Madhu, Sambodh, Lotpot, Champak, Science Reporter, Science Horizon, Science Today, Cloud, A Bridge Dowry, Kit Review, Public Fresh, and Shoresh Shakhyar, and there are rotor news regarding the Odisha as well as India and the world. Then this is the Exploring Science, Meghasthani, so the monthly Wisdom, that novel, and General Knowledge, Odisha Knowledge, and General Knowledge 2020 related to Odisha and India, sports as well as politics.
IIT reference.
These are the IIT reference books for class 11th and 12th.
This is library cards. We kept
And
cards.
this is the self for library card. Class wise the library cards are kept, class 5, class 4, class 3, class 9th, class 10th, so like that it has been mentioned. And this is the reference book self for class 11th and 12th. And Rajesh, you please go to your seat. And now we will show you the accession register of the library. Turn it.
It's a accession register.
Hmm.
Here is starting. 1, 2. Just like that. It's
You
starting.
just go on turning. Go to end.
Only last one is 3000.
There are 3,115 books so far,
And this
and we have ordered some more books, and within short time we are going to add another 300 to 500 books. And this is
teachers issue register.
थोड़ा दिखाओ उसको.
This is teachers issue register.
Okay.
How we are giving the books to the teachers like this.
And
this is students register, issue register.
students issue and receive register. Okay.
These are the, just like 5th A. All are like that.
Okay, and this is the reading table of our library. At a time 30 children can sit, and the size of the library is 880 square feet. It is, and there is a toilet to the connected to the library that is used by the librarian, and students can use in emergency with permission of librarian. And there is a library attender also there. He is absent today. So this is all about our library. Now I will take you to the ground floor, toilets and urinals for the girls. मैंने खोलो इट. This is the toilet, separate toilet for girls. It is present in the ground floor. Open, kholo. So this is another toilet and urinal for girls. Open, kholo. Okay, now we will take you to first floor, the secondary section. of our school. This is our building. There are 4 sides of the building, ground floor and first floor. So this is my office, principal's office. Mission and vision. Okay, now I will show you the classrooms of secondary section. Staff room plan. सर किसी सजाड़ा सुंदरी कुछ नहीं. Okay, so we have 3 houses in our school, and this is the C.V. Raman house, display board of C.V. Raman activities. And this is Vikram Sarabhai house. These are the activities and this is S.N. Bose house. These are the activities which pasted in the long back, and the 6-month school is closed, so it is vacant. And these are the illusions by our children. And this is the staff room, common staff room. I will introduce and Rupanmita, PGT English, Anita Behra, TGT SST, Deepak Behra, PGT Mathematics, and Gaurav Gupta, TGT Computer Science, and SK Mohammad Zairul is TGT SST, and this is the composite staff room, and there is a toilet attached to this staff room. Take a small view. Light me, light. Tapno pin nibe. This is the toilet for boys. Are urinal ta bhitare koribe. This is another classroom 4. CCTV camera is installed in each and every classroom. This is classroom 5. So now this is classroom 6. CCTV camera installed everywhere. The green board. Okay, now we will go to room number 7. CCTV. These are the reference books for the children we have kept over here, and I will shift to library. This is examination room. And he is Mr. Deepak. He is good morning, and he is exam in charge. And this is room number 9. The mathematical prefixes. This is room number 10. This is room number 11. Okay, so this is science composite lab. Fire extinguisher are installed. Good afternoon. As Mr. Ashok Das, TGT Science, comes in charge of all the labs. This is room number 13 for class 9. Digital board is installed, digital classroom with green board. Prefixes and scientific symbols. Okay. So this is computer science lab. So this is our web server. This is our web server having internet connection of 10 Mbps with Wi-Fi connection. Classroom 15, room number 15. This is room number 16. So digital classroom, this classroom is equipped with digital classroom. This is a digital board. Okay, now I will show you the water purifier. This is an AquaGuard installed over here, and these are the running water taps. And I will show you the boys toilet. This is the separate boys toilet. There are 2 toilet and urinals. This is another toilet and urinals for boys. Fire equipment, fire extinguisher. Now I will show you the brief instance of our corridor all around. Fire extinguisher. Here is water taps. and another water purifier, AquaGuard, is installed. Running water. Off. Fail. It's okay. Wall paints by the children. Fire extinguisher. Fire extinguisher. Bells, electronics bell for school. There is another urinal and toilet. The bell. Okay. We will go to ground floor now. Now we will go to ground floor. This is a small playground for indoor activities. चूड़ामणि के कोई दिन साढ़े थी वो चूड़ामणि Okay, so now we will go to the extended rooms for the class 11th and 12th. This is the classroom, proposed classroom for class 11th. This is room number 21 for 11th commerce proposed. This is room number 22. These all are vacant. Will be used for other activities, and class 12th. These two rooms are vacant. And this is room number 23. Sports room. And this is room number 24. This is the sports room. And this is the biology lab. She is Miss Chudamani Hasda. He is PGT biology. Okay, this is the biology lab for class 11th and 12th. This is chemistry lab for class 11th and 12th. Now we will go inside. Okay, this is the toilet for CS Dublin and it is under repairing. We will complete soon. And this is another aquaguard, water purifier for the children. These are the water basins, hand wash. Also exit point. This is one more staircase to the first floor. There are two staircases to the first floor, that side one and this is another one.
Second exit. This is second exit.
And this is the second exit of the building. Now I will take you to the physics lab in the ground floor. So this is the physics lab for 11th and 12th. Okay, now I will show you the exit of the building. This is the main entrance and exit of the school building.
I am Mamta Shikhar in Xavier Teachers, PT. Indoor game, carom, chess, ludo, etc. Outdoor game, volley, football, cricket, kho-kho and kabaddi. Another, judo, etc. District level games and INSPOM, Xavier's meet, marching, etc.
Good morning, sir. I am Anupriya Das, Academic Supervisor of St. Xavier High School, Baripada. She is Rasmita Pradhan, PRT, come in charge. She is Priyanka, PRT. She is Supriya Rana, art teacher. Now, I would like to discuss about the work what I have been doing under the guidelines of our principal sir, Sannyasi Pradhan. First, we will start with the planning of timetable. As due to the pandemic situation, we have been going through online classes and we have done the online timetable, which is mentioned for only 5 classes. That is 3 classes online classes and 2 classes of offline classes. Then next we are going for midterm syllabus, which we are going to follow up, and this is the midterm syllabus, then followed by annual syllabus, then we will go for teachers lesson plan, which the teachers are going through. They are going through the midterm syllabus. They assigned subtopic, topic, weekly plan, everything. Next we are going for the weekly plan, what they are designing for the students, weekly basis. Then we are going for weekly report, how many video classes, how many audio classes, how many worksheets they have submitted. Then we are going for monthly report. These are the monthly report. We are going for monthly report. So how many classes they have been taking. Next we are going for daily homework given to the students. That is 3 onwards. 1 and 2 is not included. So homework to be given to the students, and that is mentioned. Next, evaluation of homework. That is, in a month we are collecting all the copies from the students and we are checking the copies and we are returning back. Next we are following for self-study assessment. We are giving this material to the students for their development, for their help, those students who cannot write properly, and so this is given before every exam. Then next coming timetable, we are planning for the pre-mid timetable. Then we are conducting exam for pre-mid. We are following the 3 lessons for pre-mid. Then the evaluation, mark evaluation is there. This is the result of pre-mid exam. And next we are going, after exam we are finding out that who all are slow learners, and we are doing slow learner plan, that is remedial plan. So we are taking extra classes for slow learners. And next, that is subject enrichment. Those who have done homework, those who have given the activities, who have completed, no, these are all internal marks, that is subject enrichment activity. Then we are keeping the students profile. This is student profile, how they are maintaining, the child is facing any problem or not. If the child is very weak, then we are writing the assessment in the last month of the year. So this is the students profile. So accordingly we are maintaining all these things. Along with this, we are maintaining the assembly register, which is very important, but time being now we are not conducting any assemblies, but last we have conducted following the activities in the assembly. Near about 4 to 5 activities are done in every activities. Then next whole year we are making activity register, that is in a year we are doing 14 activities. It may be essay competition, it may be dance competition, song competition, debate competition, many other activities. So here all the mark basis is done according to the 3 judges. It is conducted with the help of 3 judges and mark is given. Then at last we give reward to the students, and accordingly this year also we have maintained through this online classes. We have done 2020-21 activities also. We have time being, we have completed drawing activity, then allocation competition, and we have maintained according to the judgment sheet. So this much I would like to say about the activity of the schools. Thank you, sir.
Good morning, myself Kavita. I am here working as a teacher cum counselor. Here I am just counseling the student whenever they have the problem. But seriously, I have not got yet this type of any serious problem. Whenever any problem issues are concerned with the children, means adolescence period, just I talk with the personally, I talk with the children, and if anything required, we just talk with their parent also. Parents teacher counseling is there. Just it's a relation between the whatever the problem is, issues is there, and in front of our principal, we just talk with them and counsel them, and like that we have that solve our problems. And most of the time children have adolescence period, some problems, issues are there. This is the natural factor, this is the natural phenomena that will be happen, but we have to counsel the children whenever any issues regarding in the classroom or maybe outside the classroom or playground, whatever maybe issues are there, we just solve it. Regarding in the classroom also, sometimes problems are there. Children's, this girls and boys children problems will there, but naturally here we have not seen like that, because we have created bonding between the teachers and the student, among the students also, so that we have created such situation that we have not got yet any type of serious problem. Thank you.